Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Vyte, a tool that claims to do book meetings faster and easier with smart scheduling. Vyte is a smart scheduling platform that coordinates appointments and group scheduling to sync with calendar and video platforms. It's an alternative to Calendly and Doodle. Let's see how the deal works. You got different tiers here, and the only difference will be the number of users. You can go up to tier 4, where you get 50 users, so 50 calendars. For many use cases, tier 1 and tier 2 will be enough. When you buy tier 2, you get an upgrade here of 5 different accounts. 5 different users, so 5 different calendars, and all the structure of the deal of the plan for those users as well. So let's take a look at the tool. So here's the dashboard, and you can create group meetings. So schedule group meetings effortlessly with Vyte. Find the perfect date and place that suits everyone. So you can create group meetings and also creating a booking page. I will show the different use case, but let's first take a look on the settings where you can see what you can do. You can change the calendar names, and you can also change new calendar accounts here. Remember that Vyte has Google Calendar Sync, Office 365 Calendar Sync, and Exchange Calendar Sync. You can connect multiple calendar with only one Vyte account. Here on the group meeting settings, you can change some sections here. For instance, changing the default message when you create the group meeting calendar. And also, add some kind of restrictions, for instance, notifications restrictions. About the integrations, they have here an iOS app, the best iPhone calendar app for scheduling, and Zoom integration and WebEx integration. The brand settings, you can change your subdomain. You can add a custom domain. You can change your background picture, logo, image, logo destination. That will be, for instance, if someone clicks on your logo, they will be redirected to other page. So you can redirect to your site, for instance. You can change the color of the calendar, the background color, and so adds a logo on your email. On your organization, you can see the language here. They have English, French, Portuguese, Italian, Deutsch, Spanish, Swedish, and Netherlands language. You have the options to add a team as well. If you buy more codes, you will be able to add users. Okay. And here you can create your page. So on the Vyte page, you can add a custom link. You can also create a page for your team if you have more than one user, for instance. You can also change here your availability. You can set your time zone here. Just select, for instance, your country. If you're in RC, if you're in Los Angeles, for instance. Here, to edit the days you are available, just click here on edit and change here the time frame, for instance, to 5 p.m. or add even another slot. If you would never be available on Saturday and Sunday, for instance, you can hide those available days and time just turning on that option. You can hide past availability, prevent from booking on the same day. So prevent from booking me today, just turn it on if you want that. And you can add those delays. So you need to book at least 5 hours before, 12 hours before, adding a buffer time so people can't book a meeting 15 minutes after the other one finishes. So you can have a delay here, adding a buffer time. Also, you can change the number of max appointments in parallel. They have many options here, so you can find flexibility. You can add your social links here, just adding your Twitter here. Just type your Twitter link and click on add. Same for Facebook, for instance, you add your Facebook here and click on add. So it's like that. You can change the default Vyte page title. For instance, instead of Meet Igor Silva, book a meeting with Igor. Here are the options for paid language. This is important, so you can see if you can apply your language here. So there's a lot of flexibility here. For instance, you can don't ask the name of the person. You can completely customize your Vyte page. You can even change, for instance, the automatic custom message upon confirmation. You can add your own language. So the tool will be completely it's multi-language. You will be able to tackle all the tool to be feasible to your language because the fields are customizable. You can also on a page change the meeting length, so free duration, 1 hour meetings only, etc. You can change the button color to white or blue and also the button language. And here you can see that you can add a button to your website to book a meeting with you in your language. So just add that custom field and you're going to add the button. You can also embed the Vyte page into your website. So you have your calendar there. And here is an example of a calendar, as you can see here. So remember that I added the links before. Here it is, the link to my Twitter. And here that's like custom page where you can say, for instance, why you are booking the meeting. And here you can pick up the date. Let's select the date here on the calendar. For instance, here at 3 to 4 p.m. Click on save. You can suggest more dates and suggest a place to the meeting. Skype. Then you can even add your Skype ID as well here. You can add details to the meeting and then people click here to request a meeting. Okay. So that's an example of a page. And here are the event feature. You can create an event in different language as well. So you just add your subject, your invite name or email. You can add the emails of all the people you will invite to your event. And then suggest here dates and place for your event. Select the date. You can suggest the place as well, add a message and click here. Then you created the event. The inviter will receive your email and they can, accept or decline your event and also choose the best date, time, and place to be on your event. You can add message here and all the participants will see the message. For instance, hi, it will show up here. If you, for that event, want to invite more people, just click here and you can send the email to them. You can also click here to confirm the event or also cancel the event and you can share the event with a link. And at any time you can change the event setting and edit the event title. So that's Vyte. It's a calendar tool. If you need that, it could be a good option for you. I hope you liked that overview. Thank you so much.